Right, in today's video we're going to show you how to replace the shutoff lever here on the brass manifold. You combine both the lever and the screw. They're sold separately. Sometimes you won't need the screw actually, so we don't sell those always together. Process is pretty simple. You'll just need a Phillips head screwdriver. So first, shut off your water. You'll probably want to take this off the manifold or off the faucet to make sure that it's more accessible. But then you just unscrew the lever in question. It just comes right off, and you can take the new one, put that on in the old position, and put the new screw on there. And once that's done, go ahead and take it outside, hook it up, give it a test. The first few times this might be a little stiff, but it does loosen up. So that's how you do that. Pretty simple. If you have any questions about this, let us know in the comments and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.